In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay on any website. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have to use Afterpay. So Afterpay is primarily used through the mobile app or the website when you choose a specific store in the app, or when you choose the option to purchase gift cards, allowing you to buy now and pay later on any of these websites. Now, can you use Afterpay on any website that you wish? Sadly, that is going to be a little bit more complicated. To do this, you would have to get a card with the details from Afterpay and still allow you to split the payment. Sadly, this doesn't seem to be possible as of the time that I'm recording this video. However, you are able to use it in a variety of stores if you can go to the store and make an in-store purchase. So if you go to the in-store tab, you can acquire the Afterpay card. This card can be added to your Google Pay wallet or your Apple wallet. By adding this card to Google Pay or Apple Pay, you are then able to use Afterpay on any store that accepts these methods of payments. They can be in-store or even online. So all that you have to do is set up the Afterpay card. So go to in-store, choose the option to set up the card, go through the process, and then you will see the pay in-store option. If you are at a physical location, you will be using your phone with the Afterpay card registered to the wallet. So you physically place your phone near the card reader. Or if you are doing this through a website or a specific service, just choose the option to use Google or Apple Pay. And as long as you have the Afterpay card attributed to your wallet, you will be able to proceed and get this done. So this is going to be the only method to use Afterpay in stores where it is not directly accepted. Besides this, you do have to go to the mobile app and choose the particular store where you will be using Afterpay as the payment method. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on any website. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.